That steaming mug of instant coffee you enjoy each morning is a modern marvel, a symbol of how far food technology has come in just a few decades. It's more than just a quick pick-me-up. It's the result of years of innovation, global collaboration, and a relentless pursuit of convenience. While brewing coffee is an ancient ritual, dating back centuries to the highlands of Ethiopia, instant coffee is a relatively recent invention. It was in the early 20th century that the world saw the birth of instant coffee, but it was Nestlé's Nescafe that truly catapulted it to global fame. Their breakthrough in the 1930s made it possible for anyone, anywhere, to enjoy a cup of coffee in seconds. Today, over 1 billion cups of Nescafe are consumed every single day. That staggering number is a testament to our collective craving for both the rich taste of coffee and the ease of instant preparation. Whether it's a sleepy commuter in Tokyo, a student in Paris, or a farmer in Brazil, instant coffee connects people across continents and cultures. To meet this insatiable demand, Nestlé sources more than 13 million bags of beans every year. These beans come from over 100,000 farmers, spread across the globe, from the lush plantations of South America to the highlands of Africa and the rolling hills of Asia. Each bag represents the hard work and dedication of countless individuals, all contributing to your morning cup. The runaway success of instant coffee lies in its beautiful simplicity. With just a spoonful of granules and a splash of hot water, you can have a steaming cup in seconds. No grinders, no filters, no expensive machines required. It's coffee made accessible to everyone, regardless of time, place, or resources. This convenience made instant coffee a staple for soldiers on the front lines during wartime, for busy office workers, rushing between meetings, and for families at home, seeking comfort in a cup. It democratized coffee, turning what was once a luxury into an everyday essential for millions. The journey from farm to cup is nothing short of extraordinary, a feat of modern food science, engineering, and global logistics. Every jar of instant coffee is the result of a carefully orchestrated process, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Let's peel back the layers and follow the coffee cherry's remarkable transformation. From the moment it's picked on the farm to the intricate processing in high-tech factories, every step is designed to preserve flavor and aroma, ensuring that each cup you make is as satisfying as the last. This is a story where nature meets technology, where tradition is reimagined for the modern world, and where a simple cup of coffee becomes a global phenomenon, one sip at a time. Every cup of Nescafe starts its remarkable journey on a coffee farm, where the story of your morning brew truly begins. Here, in the lush, rolling hills and sun-drenched valleys, generations of farmers dedicate their lives to nurturing the coffee plants that will one day become your favorite drink. The farm is alive with the sounds of nature and the steady rhythm of hard work, as each plant is carefully tended from seedling to maturity. The journey starts as a delicate white flower, blooming briefly but beautifully. These blossoms fill the air with a subtle, sweet fragrance, signaling the beginning of the coffee cycle. For the farmers, this is a moment of hope and anticipation, as each flower holds the promise of a future harvest. Over the following months, these flowers transform into small, green coffee cherries. Slowly, with the help of sun and rain, the cherries ripen, turning from green to a deep, glossy red. This transformation is a testament to the patience and care of the farmers, who monitor the plants daily, waiting for the perfect moment to harvest. Harvesting is a race against time and nature. Farmers must pick the cherries at their peak ripeness, when the flavor is at its best. In some regions, this means handpicking each cherry, a process that requires skill and experience. In others, modern machines help by shaking the ripe fruit loose in seconds, ensuring that no time is wasted and the cherries are collected at their freshest. A single mechanical harvester can collect up to 60 bags of cherries in just 5 hours, a feat that would take a team of pickers much longer to accomplish. This efficiency is crucial, as it helps preserve the quality of the cherries and ensures that large harvests can be managed quickly and effectively. Once picked, the clock starts ticking. Coffee cherries are highly perishable, and, to maintain their freshness and flavor, they must reach the wet mill within 12 hours. This tight timeline is essential to prevent spoilage and to lock in the unique characteristics of each batch. The freshly harvested cherries are quickly loaded onto trucks, baskets, or even carried by hand, depending on the size of the farm and the terrain. They are then rushed to the processing facility, often traveling over winding roads and through rural landscapes to reach their destination in time. This rapid transition from field to mill is vital. It preserves the bean's quality, ensuring that the potential for a rich aroma and full-bodied taste is not lost. At the processing facility, skilled workers inspect the cherries, removing any that are damaged or unripe, so only the best make it through. The journey from field to mill is the first crucial step in creating your instant coffee. It's a process that combines tradition, innovation, and a deep respect for the land and the people who work it. Timing, technology, and expertise all come together at this stage, setting the foundation for the flavors and aromas that will eventually fill your cup. The next chapter of the coffee's journey begins at the wet mill, where the transformation from cherry to bean truly takes shape, and the magic of Nescafe continues to unfold. At the wet mill, cherries are sorted by density in water tanks. Ripe ones sink, unripe float, and are removed. The ripe cherries are depulped by machines, freeing the beans from their skin and pulp. Discarded pulp is recycled as compost, closing the sustainability loop. Beans are then coated in sticky mucilage, which is removed by soaking in fermentation tanks for up to 24 hours. Careful monitoring ensures the right flavor. Too long, and sour notes develop. After fermentation, beans are washed thoroughly until clean. The result? Parchment coffee, pale and glistening, ready for drying. This process transforms cherries into beans, setting the stage for the next phase. Each step is vital for quality and flavor. The beans are now ready to be dried. The journey continues. After washing, beans are sun-dried on patios or raised beds for 1 to 2 weeks, turned regularly for even drying. The goal: reduce moisture from 50 to 11%, crucial for storage and flavor. Too moist and beans spoil, too dry and they become brittle. Once dried, beans are hulled to remove the parchment layer, revealing the green coffee bean. Discarded husks are often used as fuel or compost. Beans are sorted by size and quality, then packed into 60-kilogram jute sacks. Each bag is labeled for traceability and stored in ventilated warehouses. The green beans are now ready for shipment to Nescafe factories worldwide. Every step ensures only the best beans make the journey. Next stop: the factory floor. At the factory, sacks of green coffee are unloaded by robotic arms and enter a rigorous quality check. Moisture sensors and robotic probes test for defects and sample beans for expert tasting. Professional tasters or cuppers evaluate flavor and aroma, ensuring only top-quality beans proceed. Once approved, beans are sifted to remove debris and broken pieces. Uniformity is key for even roasting and consistent taste. Only after passing these checks do beans move to the roasting stage. Automation and human expertise work hand in hand. The clean sorted beans are ready for their transformation. The stage is set for roasting. Roasting is where green beans become the aromatic coffee we know. Beans are tumbled in massive drums at high temperatures, carefully monitored for time and heat. Lighter roasts retain more acidity and caffeine. Darker roasts develop bold, smoky flavors. The Maillard reaction and caramelization create coffee's signature aroma and taste. Timing is everything. Roasting stops at the perfect moment for the desired blend. Beans are rapidly cooled to lock in flavor. Once cooled, they're ready for grinding and brewing. The transformation is dramatic and essential. Roasted beans are ground and brewed in giant cells, producing a concentrated coffee extract. This process involves carefully selecting the best beans, roasting them to perfection, and then grinding them to the ideal consistency. The brewing process in these large industrial machines ensures that the maximum flavor and aroma are extracted from the beans, resulting in a rich and robust coffee extract. This extract is transformed into instant coffee using 2 methods: spray drying and freeze drying. Each method has its own unique process and benefits, catering to different market needs and consumer preferences. Spray drying atomizes the extract into a hot air chamber, instantly evaporating water and leaving fine powder. This method is efficient and cost-effective, making it ideal for producing large quantities of instant coffee quickly. The fine powder produced is then collected and processed further to ensure consistency and quality. Freeze drying, used for premium lines, chills the extract into coffee ice, then breaks it into granules. This method is more time-consuming and expensive, but preserves the coffee's natural flavors and aromas better than spray drying. The coffee ice is carefully monitored to ensure it reaches the perfect temperature before being broken into granules. These granules are placed in a vacuum and gently heated, causing water to sublimate and leaving dry, porous coffee. The vacuum environment ensures that the coffee granules retain their structure and quality, resulting in a superior product that dissolves easily in water. Freeze drying preserves more aroma and flavor, resulting in a superior product. This method is particularly favored by coffee connoisseurs who appreciate the finer nuances of coffee flavor and aroma. The end result is a premium instant coffee that offers a rich and satisfying experience. Both methods create soluble granules ready for packaging. The granules are carefully measured and packaged to ensure consistency and quality in every jar. The packaging process is designed to protect the coffee from moisture and air, preserving its freshness until it reaches the consumer. The choice of drying method shapes the final taste and texture. Each method imparts its own unique characteristics to the coffee, influencing everything from the aroma to the mouthfeel. Quality control teams conduct rigorous testing to ensure that each batch meets the highest standards. Science and precision drive this transformation. Advanced technology and meticulous attention to detail ensure that every step of the process is optimized for quality and efficiency. Researchers and engineers work tirelessly to refine the methods and improve the final product. The result: instant coffee that dissolves in seconds. This convenience is a key selling point for instant coffee, making it a popular choice for busy individuals who want a quick and easy way to enjoy a cup of coffee without compromising on taste. Next, it's time to package the magic. The final product is carefully sealed in jars or packets, ready to be shipped to stores and enjoyed by coffee lovers around the world. The packaging process ensures that the coffee remains fresh and flavorful until it reaches the consumer's cup. Finished granules travel via conveyors to the packaging area, a blur of automation. High-speed lines fill hundreds of jars per minute, each sealed with foil to lock in freshness. The iconic plastic cap and Nescafe label complete the jar. Robotic arms bundle jars into cases, stack them on pallets, and prepare them for shipment. Every step protects the coffee from air and moisture. From cherry to jar, precision ensures quality and consistency. The journey ends here, but the story continues in your kitchen. Your instant coffee is ready to enjoy. From a flower on a distant farm to a spoonful in your mug, instant coffee's journey is a global feat. Farmers, machines, and scientists all play a part in this transformation. The process blends tradition, technology, and logistics on a massive scale. Each granule connects you to people and places around the world. The next time you stir your coffee, remember the journey it's taken. It's more than a quick cup. It's a marvel of modern food production. Every sip is a taste of innovation and dedication. Enjoy your coffee and the story behind it.